you name it.
All right, that. All right, now we'll go to my very special spatula here.
So right now you're trying to basically get the butter incorporated, right?
Yes, and it's melting in.
Gotcha.
It's melting in.
Just takes time.
The heat from the bowl. There's a lot of heat in this bowl right now.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, one of the chunks of butter, got stuck on the top and everything else mixed in, then it probably would have a very difficult time of actually mixing in.
Gotcha.
Okay, so actually scrape the bottom there, get all the way down. So this mixer here, Dan,
Yeah?
I only use for buttercream.
Oh, okay.
This is specifically my buttercream mixer.
Gotcha.
Yeah. My other mixer is the one that I'll do like small cookie doughs in.
Right.
The black one over there. Okay. Now basically I just want to let this,
Smooth out.
yeah. I might have to pull a little bit of it out, put it in the microwave. We'll see. When you do this, you don't want to bring the spatula lower than where the paddle hits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's very important. You don't want the spatula, you don't want the spatula to get hit with the paddle. You could pull it right in there.
Yeah.
The machine is a lot stronger than you think. It could snatch it right out of your hand.
Yeah. And then if it's going fast like that, it could just wing!
Oh, it'll take your finger right off.
Oh!
Yeah, or it can crush your finger easily. I mean, if I stuck my finger in there and I hit that paddle would crush my finger.
Ouch.
You don't want that.
Very strong mixer.